Hey yo guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, I saw many videos of toothpaste life hacks like fixing the phone screen and this and many videos like this. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna try some of the toothpaste life hack. I don't know if it will work or not. Let's try and see. Before getting into the video, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more cooling videos. So guys, let's get into the video.
Guys, first we'll try with the smartphone. All I need to do is first I want to break the phone screen and apply the toothpaste. Guys, in many videos I saw, let's try and see will it work or not.
Nope.
Guys, I think no way this phone screen can be refixed. Guys, actually the toothpaste went each and every gap of the broken screen. It's totally waste, guys. Guys, still this phone is alive, guys. We're gonna dip the match in the toothpaste and we'll be submerging it in the water, and then we'll check will it still work or not.
Nope.
Oh guys, it results very well. I've just cleaned this part of the shoe alone guys. I really like it. Guys, finally we'll try polishing silver guys. I'm trying using my silver medal. As you see, it's also fully dirty guys. Let's try it out. Okay guys, hope you all like this video. I'll meet you with the next super cooling videos. Until then, it's me Vishnu signing out. Bye bye.